This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Modern coffee table designs are more than furniture trends, they are reflections of how people live today. Homes have become multifunctional spaces where relaxation, work, and social connection intersect, and the coffee table sits at the center of it all. For woodworkers and small-scale creators, this makes the modern coffee table one of the most reliable and adaptable products in today's market. It is familiar enough to feel safe to buyers, yet flexible enough to allow endless creative interpretation. When designed thoughtfully, a coffee table can balance beauty, function, and profitability in a way few other furniture pieces can. Modern coffee tables sell well because they answer a clear and ongoing demand. Every living space, regardless of size or style, needs a central surface. Unlike large furniture items that require significant commitment, a coffee table feels accessible. Buyers are willing to invest in one quality piece that anchors their room, especially when it reflects modern taste. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and thoughtful material choices create confidence in buyers who may not understand craftsmanship but can sense harmony when they see it. One of the strongest drivers of sales in modern coffee tables is simplicity. Simplicity does not mean lack of effort, it means intentional restraint. Designs that avoid unnecessary ornamentation allow the natural beauty of wood to speak. Smooth surfaces, soft edges, and consistent grain patterns give the impression of calm and order. In a noisy world filled with visual clutter, people gravitate toward furniture that feels quiet and grounding. This emotional response directly influences purchasing decisions. Material selection plays a major role in how modern coffee tables are perceived. Solid wood remains the most trusted choice, especially when paired with subtle contrasts. Light woods convey openness and freshness, while darker tones suggest stability and depth. Combining wood with glass, metal, or stone elements can enhance modern appeal without overpowering the design. What matters most is balance. When materials feel harmonious, the table appears intentional rather than experimental, which reassures buyers. Proportion is another critical factor. Modern homes often feature smaller living areas, so bulky designs struggle to find buyers. Coffee tables that appear visually light through slim legs, floating tops, or open bases fit more easily into compact spaces. At the same time, the table must feel sturdy and reliable. Successful designs solve this contradiction by distributing weight intelligently, using geometry to create strength without visual heaviness. Functionality quietly increases sales. Hidden storage, lower shelves, or modular components add value without demanding attention. Buyers appreciate furniture that adapts to their lifestyle without advertising complexity. A coffee table that holds books, trays, or daily essentials while maintaining a clean appearance becomes indispensable. When function is integrated invisibly, the piece feels smarter rather than busier. Surface treatment also influences buyer perception. Matte finishes dominate the modern market because they reduce glare and feel more natural. A softly finished surface invites touch and suggests craftsmanship. High-gloss finishes may look impressive in photos, but they often feel cold or fragile in real life. Buyers today value authenticity over perfection, and finishes that highlight wood texture rather than hide it tend to sell better. Modern coffee table designs benefit from subtle uniqueness. Small design signatures such as a gentle curve, an unexpected join, or a distinctive leg profile differentiate a piece without alienating buyers. These details become conversation starters, increasing emotional attachment. When buyers feel they are purchasing something slightly uncommon yet still familiar, they perceive greater value. Sustainability has become a quiet but powerful influence on purchasing behavior. Buyers may not always articulate it, but they are drawn to furniture that feels responsibly made. Using reclaimed wood, showcasing natural imperfections, or emphasizing longevity aligns with modern values. A coffee table that appears built to last carries moral weight as well as aesthetic appeal. Pricing strategy matters just as much as design. Modern coffee tables sell best when they feel reasonably premium. Extremely cheap pricing raises doubts about durability, while excessively high prices limit reach. A well-crafted table positioned as an investment piece, something that will remain relevant as trends change, creates confidence. Buyers want to feel smart, not indulgent, when they spend. Presentation plays a decisive role in sales success. Clean photography, neutral backgrounds, and realistic staging allow buyers to imagine the table in their own space. Overstyled images can distract from the product itself. The goal is clarity, not spectacle. When the design is strong, it does not need exaggeration. Consistency builds trust over time. Creators who develop a recognizable design language through proportions, finishes, or structural choices benefit from repeat interest. Buyers begin to associate a certain calm, quality, or reliability with your work. This brand-like recognition increases long-term sales more than chasing every new trend. Modern coffee tables also perform well because they adapt easily to customization. Small adjustments in size, finish, or material allow you to meet diverse customer needs without reinventing the design. This flexibility reduces production risk while expanding market reach. A single core design can serve many buyers when approached thoughtfully. Ultimately, modern coffee table designs succeed because they sit at the intersection of usefulness and expression. They are not purely decorative, nor purely functional. They exist in daily life, absorbing moments of rest, conversation, and routine. When a table quietly supports these moments, it becomes more than furniture, it becomes part of a home's rhythm. Modern coffee table designs continue to sell well not only because of their appearance, but because of how closely they align with the way people live today. Homes have become more multifunctional than ever before. Living rooms are no longer just places to sit and entertain guests, they are workspaces, family gathering areas, and quiet corners for rest. A well-designed coffee table naturally becomes the center of this environment, which is why buyers are willing to invest in one that feels both practical and meaningful. One of the strongest trends driving sales is the desire for balance between simplicity and character. Buyers are drawn to clean lines and uncluttered shapes, but they do not want pieces that feel cold or mass-produced. This is where modern wood coffee tables perform exceptionally well. Natural grain patterns, subtle imperfections, and thoughtful joinery give each table a sense of authenticity, even when the overall design is minimal. Customers often describe these pieces as warm, grounding, or timeless, words that directly influence purchasing decisions. Another reason modern coffee tables sell consistently is their adaptability. A successful design today is rarely tied to a single decor style. Tables that work equally well in modern apartments, rustic homes, or mixed-style interiors attract a wider audience. Neutral wood tones, matte finishes, and balanced proportions allow one design to appeal across many tastes. This versatility reduces hesitation for buyers and increases the likelihood of repeat sales, recommendations, and long-term demand. Functionality also plays a quiet but powerful role. Coffee tables that include subtle storage, lower shelves, or modular elements often outperform purely decorative pieces. Buyers may not always search explicitly for storage, but when they notice thoughtful features integrated without disrupting the design, the value of the table increases in their eyes. A piece that looks good and quietly solves a daily problem feels like a smart purchase rather than an indulgence. Equally important is scale. Modern homes, especially urban living spaces, often have limited room. Coffee tables that feel visually light, with open bases or slim profiles, tend to sell better than bulky designs. Modern coffee table designs that sell well are not defined by trends alone, but by understanding how people live, feel, and choose. When craftsmanship meets restraint, and function meets beauty, the result is furniture that earns its place in everyday life. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.